Thank you. Amazon right here at a bounce level. Double bottom on Amazon. Everybody see it? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Right on the 200. Scalpers. It's a quick scalp because it's to the downside. You're going against the trend. You already know that. Oh, but coach, I'm going to leave it with like a 80% no.
Calls on score.
And there it goes. There it goes. Do you believe in magic? Yeah, you do. Scoot that stop up. Don't let that green trade go red. It's not going to run forever, right? But we are now seeing at that critical level on the 200 double bottom. Quick scalper. By the way, SPY right here on a critical level, the 200 down here, and anybody else. Can anybody tell me why this is also a major level for SPY?
200.
Yeah.
Pre-market setup.
And
Double bottom.
Free market setup to the downside.
Nice. And one more.
Previous
Is
day.
it a cup?
Yep. And okay, one more than that. And this one's going to throw you off.
Below VWAP.
Because SPY, if it breaks that level, is going to go from green to red. Right? SPY will go from green to red for the day, which will signify people will then panic. That is why this is also a critical level. Make sense? Absolutely. So here's the thing, because it's a quick scalp, stops are tight because at any point, because Amazon to the downside can knife drop on you, meaning you want to stop way up tight. This is not the area where you're like, I'm going to leave a big giant hole for it to come back on me. Nope. A call is to the opposite direction it is going on this, but move the stop up and watch and see if it can make its way to VWAP. If it does, isn't that a great spot to collect and or buy puts? Because won't that be what?
Resistance.
There it is, the resistance.
Glorious.
Again, did anybody get in on Amazon on the scalp, on the bounce of 200? I said, this is your opportunity. Did you do it?
Sure did.
I got it, coach.
Yes.
Thank you. Now we're
I
at
just cleared it.
VWAP. We're at VWAP. Didn't I say this is a perfect opportunity for collect? But do you guys see, though, how we're getting better and better and better and better and better?
Yes, 100%.
Yep. Stick with me. You guys will be freaking rock stars before you know it. All you got to do is stick around. Amazon, you guys are at puts. Be careful here. This is the resistance. Now you're at puts. Those of you that are in calls, you are shedding here. Stops below. If you're in a call, I'd have a stop below 155.17. See it? If you're in a put, I'd put a stop around 155.45. So there's your stop to the up. There's your stop to the bottom.